Take a ride in the 2021 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.